return to your discussion of the peacock and the egg, you seem to be suggesting that because the colors are determined, that Shiva would have no further enjoyment from having one peacock and then the next and then the next, that it would be no longer interesting because the colors are already decided. It would seem to me that the infinite variability of the light of the day, of the air that passes by, of the shimmering of a color, whether someone sees it or not, that makes it worthwhile. And that would give each of our small lives, if you will, some glory. Is not this infinitely new and creative for Shiva then? That's it.
Okay. The way you have to understand metaphors or examples is only in light of what is being conveyed. So the peacock egg metaphor is used to say that the potentials are not visible in its causal state, but are expressed in the effect. So that it is not used to say that once it is expressed, it is just as it is, the manifold. So it's not to be understood that way. But even if you like to understand that way, peacocks are also evolving. And there is no two peacocks with exactly same color. Although for us from outside, they look like exactly identical, their rays of colors, but they're evolving. And, you know, a million years ago, whatever the peacock's feathers looked like, and if we compare today or their body, the structure, it's a necessity of evolution, that there is always something new happening, difference. It's not a repetition. It's not the exact copy. What constitutes creativity? It is the difference. It's being different, and there's always that inherent difference that is constituting newness, and that is the unfolding of Shiva. It's maybe Zil Delos, if you read difference on repetition, that's the way I would like to read Delos. It's not a copy of the same. There is something different, and that's what Shiva is. He is capable of differing from himself. That is what creativity comes. That's where creativity comes, because as long as we cannot constitute self-differentiation, then we are failing to project what is to be created, our creation. So and so creativity demands that there is an ongoing fundamental difference. Thank you.